White collar crimes are non-violent in nature. It is committed by educated and influential individuals. It involves breach of trust and fiduciary relationship. It has a high economic impact on the society, and it is committed in organized and systematic manner. Now, types. What are the types of the white collar crimes? First is bank fraud. That is an illegal act done to deceive bank and obtain funds dishonestly. Then blackmail, demanding money or benefit by threat to bodily harm or exposure of secrets. Then bribery, offering or accepting something of value to influence decision or action. Computer fraud, it is an illegal access to computers to steal data like bank details or confidential information. Then money laundering, converting illegal money into illegitimate fund. Then tax evasion, avoiding payment of taxes by illegal means. Then what are the causes of white collar crimes? First is greed and desire for the wealth. The primary motive behind the white collar crimes is financial gain and accumulation of wealth. Then lack of strict enforcement, weak regulatory system and delayed encourages such crimes. Then complex legal system, technical loopholes make it difficult to prosecute offenders. Then technological advancement, digital platforms and increased opportunities for these types of crime. Then effects of white collar crime. First is economic impact. White collar crimes causes huge financial losses to the economy. Such crime also lead to the inflation and market instability. Then social impact. These crimes damages the moral fabric of the society by promoting dishonestly and unethical behavior. Then individual impact. At the individual level, victims suffer financial losses due to the fraud and scams. Then white collar crimes in India. White collar crimes have increased significantly in India due to the liberalization and globalization and rapid industrial growth and technological advancement. Weak enforcement of laws, corruption, and lack of awareness further contribute to the rise of such crimes in India. A common example is banking scams, stock market frauds.